cross-reference the serial on the chamber now.
It matches the build plan. We are good for installation. Check the alignment on the cooling passages here.
Zooming in now. Porosity levels are well within tolerance.
Borescope inspection of the compressor section confirms integrity.
Pressure holding steady at 40,000 psi. Process A verification complete.
Confirming load cell responsiveness is within tolerance for Process B.
Process Alpha checklist confirmed. All physical parameters are nominal.
Data umbilical linked and verified. Green across the board.
Acknowledged. Proceed with transfer initiation.
We are aligned on the starboard side.
Port alignment confirmed. Proceed with docking sequence.
All data acquisition systems, Process B setup, are confirmed operational. Emergency stop protocols are active. We are synchronized and ready for ignition. Verify all sensor connections on the manifold.
Confirmed. All secure. We are green for ignition sequence start.
Fuel flow rate matching the programmed schedule. Light off successful for Process B.
Exhaust gas temperature stable at idle.
Copy that. Logging Process A parameters now. System checks are green.
The engine shows excellent mechanical health. Logging this as a whiff to Process A station.
Oil pressure is stable and temperature is rising as expected. Process A is confirmed, and the lubrication systems are fully functional.
As the engine rapidly decelerates, the deep roar subsides quickly, confirming the FedEx ability to maintain stability.
Attention all stations. The engine run sequence is initiated. T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
The Sukhoi Su-57 engine ignites its afterburner, validating the structural integrity under extreme operating conditions.
Afterburner stable, maximum thrust achieved.
Verified. Data logging initiated for Process A.
Final cooling cycle initiated. Fuel valves closed. Auxiliary external components.
The data cable connections are fully detached.
Confirmed on the manifest. Process A is complete.
Steady, coming down. Give me the signal when you're aligned.
We have alignment. Proceeding with securing the load.
Data ingestion complete. We are green across the board.
Confirmed. Starting process B.
The algorithm successfully identified the early indicators. Process B is proving highly accurate. The maintenance schedule looks solid.
The correlation metrics are fully consistent across all parameters.
Excellent work, team. The digital... Verify the intermediate processing steps against the raw data.
Correlation confirmed. The DPM accurately reflects the physical.
The network distribution is confirmed. We have achieved global consistency for the Felon engine data.
The finalized digital performance model is integrated as the baseline reference for the AI.
Visualized. I've integrated the new fuel flow tolerances and EGT limits.
And the vibration thresholds?
All updated based on process B.
We need to ensure the maintainers can diagnose this thermal runaway. I'm adding the diagnostic overlay now, linked to the vibration specs.
Inputting final documentation tags and legal disclaimers. Ensuring correct attribution, licensing, and traceability back to the...
The AL-41F1 is showing superior thrust across the envelope.
And the DPM validation confirms the consistency of the gain.
The intense processing load subsides, finalizing the digital performance model. This
Process B is complete. The digital performance model is now ready for utilization.
Ground control, engine 1 spooling up.
Roger, thrust profile is green.
The diagnostic data highlights the low-pressure turbine issue. Based on the DPM and Process B, we follow the maintenance steps for this component anomaly. The DPM shows a 20% fuel saving at this altitude. Adjust the ingress route here.
Confirmed. Recalculating the performance envelope now.
The AI model uses the baseline vibration data to predict impending failure weeks in advance, demonstrating proactive.
There's the spike. EGT profile deviation on engine 7.
Confirmed. Triggering predictive maintenance sequence now.
The failure mode replication was incredibly realistic. The DPM really captured the surge
And the data
dynamics.
confirms your response was...
The performance curves are stable across all parameters.
Confirmed. The integration is successful.